Hello guys! It's been a minute since I've been able to just like sit down and chit chat with you guys. I'm so excited because obviously you can tell from the title, wedding is just around the corner. I haven't been able to like really update you guys because I've been just constantly gone and going through like the filler dissolving. I've been bachelorette, you know, preparing for all of that. It's just been a crazy month, but now I'm finally ready to sit down and tell you guys everything wedding. But I just have like so much stuff to show you guys that I'm like, where do I even begin? So I apologize in advance if this just seems all over the place. It's going to be. I did get a new pair of shoes, and I know everybody loves a luxury moment. I saw these during Paris Fashion Week on the girls that own CEOs. I don't know what the proper term is. The designers for the Attico. Love them. From Loewe. And I saw them and I was like, I literally have never needed a pair of shoes more. I asked Cody, I was like, do I need these? And he was like, actually, yes. I actually showed you guys my final look. Which is just like a really beautiful dress from Bon Brides. Posted about it in another video. It's just a very simple dress for like the after party. So I picked up these heels. They're definitely not for everyone, and I'm totally okay with, but I'm just like super obsessed with them. And I was like, there's one time in my life that I'll be able to wear a freaking heel like this, and it's for my wedding. So I picked these up. I'm so excited about them. My tripod keeps falling off the windowsill. Sorry about that. I ordered this straight from the Loewe website. At the time, it was the only website I could find them on, but now they're on like Nordstrom. I got them in a size 40. I'm usually a 40 or 41, and the 40 fit perfectly. So these just felt way more me than the Jimmy Choo. In like a tacky way though, you know what I mean? Like they're definitely not classy in any shape or form. Really hyped about that. And then yesterday I went to go get my dress altered for the rehearsal dinner. I wasn't feeling inspired by like any of the rehearsal dresses that I was seeing. Everything was just so, I don't know, like maybe it's because I've been engaged for 2.5 years that I've seen like every white dress ever. So I was waiting for something, and then I have worn the bar to literally every event, but then they came out with this cute dress, which I'll put a picture on the screen. I obviously don't have it right now because it's at the tailor. If you guys are in Nashville and you need a quick fix for cheap, there's a place in Madison that I go called Romer Fashion. I love them. They've always been really good. They've been really quick, and I find that a quick tailor is kind of hard to find here in Nashville, and I love supporting a smaller business. It will be ready right before the wedding, which is so exciting. But this is the little pin that goes right here on the dress, or you can wear it around your neck. I haven't quite figured out where I want to wear it, but it's so cute, and I don't know. I personally think the bar dresses are just perfect. I wore one of them to my bachelorette party. Or not my bachelorette. Well, I did actually wear one to my bachelorette party, that feathered one. So cute. And then I also wore one to my wedding shower, which I love. As you guys may know, my bridesmaids are wearing ivory dresses, midi or maxi length. My friend Nicole will actually be wearing that dress for my wedding. We basically wear the exact same size, and I was like, hey, I have this really cool dress that I think is so cute. Do you want to borrow it for the wedding? And she was like, yes. So justified making a big purchase that way. Using it again. We love to see it. But that brings me to what I got my bridesmaids. But for my bridesmaids, I got them a pair of feather pajamas. I went back and forth on where I should get them from. I'm currently wearing the sleeper ones, which are like legit pajamas. But I liked that these ones from Nadine Merabi. I don't know how it's pronounced. I wore one of these white ones to my shoot last year for my engagement pictures, and I loved it. And I love that it's satin, so you can actually like, you can dress it up for like an evening type look, or you can actually wear them as pajamas. So I didn't want to do all white since, you know, I'm doing all white for my bridesmaid dresses, and none of the colors were really speaking to me. The only colors I really liked were the black and the red. I ended up going with red. I don't know why. Like, it's just pajamas, so I don't think it really matters that much, but they're just the perfect feathered pajamas. I think they're so cute. Feathers on it, and I don't know. So I'm really excited to give that to them. Just to be transparent, they sent me a few of them, and then I purchased the rest. I think that's like the perfect gift. I'll probably end up wearing the white version that I already own for like getting ready. It's probably the only time that I will be like standing out amongst them. But I love those pajamas and I'm very, very happy with them and I cannot wait to give them to my bridesmaids. Our rehearsal dinner, we decided to do something very chill because obviously the wedding is kind of a little bit more out of the budget than we expected. We just kind of wanted to save some money, and so since my parents paid so much money for an Airbnb, we were like, we'll just have it there, and I'm so excited. It's just gonna be very casual. We're doing Hattie B's, and then my mom's making Caitlin, my friend Anella, who are vegetarian. That's really nice. I'm excited about that. It's going to be like a little casual, but I'm still gonna dress up. Hence me having that longer dress. Oh, and then I have this little bag. I don't know if I've shown you this in a video yet. This is an Amina Muaddi bag, and I'm so annoyed because whenever I was flying home from Las Vegas, I packed this in my suitcase, and I guess the way I packed it dented, I don't know if you can see that, the bag, and it scraped it, and I'm like, oh, of course that happened. I got this on sale though for like $200 something, and I love it so fucking much. Like, this is one of my favorite bags that I've ever purchased, which is so funny because I never thought I'd actually purchase one of these, but I found it on sale during like all the big sales, and I was just like, that is the cutest little purse for like wedding stuff because it's so small and just like a tiny statement. I'm so happy with it. It's so cute, but it doesn't hold much, but it doesn't really need to hold much, just needs to really hold like lipstick and stuff. But when I was on my bachelorette, I was on my period, so this actually fit tampons too, which is so nice. Another thing I purchased for one of my looks, because as you guys know, I have three, one for the ceremony, one for the reception, and one for... Okay, I'm so sorry, the freaking tripod keeps falling. It's gonna fall again. We're just gonna keep moving around and it's just gonna be choppy, but I bought these little stud earrings from the Real for my, I think this is going to be my reception dress look, which I cannot wait to show you guys my reception dress. Question I get asked the most is like which dress I'm the most excited about, and like I should say my actual ceremony dress, but I just feel like my reception dress is so mean. I cannot wait to show you guys it. I mean, it's all me, to be honest, but they're just different, you know, and I'm excited. So I've actually had the reception dress the longest, but I think these are going to be the perfect statement. They were $200. They're kind of heavy and they're gonna hurt my ears, but I love them. So I need to try on next week everything to figure out like how I want to style them, because I don't know what shoes exactly I'm going to wear with my reception dress, but I'm excited to figure that detail out. I don't think I've purchased anything else for my looks. I'm planning on wearing my Bottega heels. I think I've shown you for my first dress in a veil that my mom made, which is super special. For my second dress, I need to figure out the heels, and then I've got everything else, and then my third dress, I have everything. It's such an exciting time. I'm squealing. So let's talk about some of the details that I've purchased for the actual reception. These are like things that I thought it'd be fun to share. I don't know. So if you guys don't know this, I've talked about this for years. Cody and I have always wanted to do the disposable thing even before it got trendy. I know it's a pick-me thing to say, but we've been shooting film since like pretty much our entire relationship, which is super special. So that's why we wanted to do disposables at our wedding instead of a photo booth. So we bulk ordered. He ordered 8, I ordered 8, and then I just ordered 2 more. So we have one for every single table. They're just disposables. I bought some of them on Amazon, and then I bought some on Sammy's camera. That was a question I got asked a lot. But I just went to Target and I got a label maker, which are only $17. I definitely thought they were like billions and billions of dollars growing up. And I made labels for the disposable cameras, because if you've never shot a disposable camera, then you probably don't know that you need to turn the flash on. Turn flash on. So I'm so excited for these. I know everyone that I've talked to has always said that these are some of their favorite pictures that they have from their wedding, and I just think it'll be super, super special. Pumped about that. I really hope people notice the flash, and then we're gonna tell everyone to just leave them on the tables at the end of the night, just to ship them off to get developed. Okay, you guys fell from the tripod again, and eventually I was just like, you know what? We're not gonna do the tripod anymore. So you're on my little ledge, and this is probably the most unflattering. These look like boobs right now, like saggy boobs. So I apologize about that, but we're just kind of chaotic right now. And then watch you guys all be like, this is my favorite video you guys have ever done, or that you've ever done. We're really hoping people will actually shoot with the flash on. We'll make an announcement as well, but we just wanted everyone to know because it's super important to turn the freaking flash on. So that's a good tip, I think, if you guys are planning on having them at your reception. Another thing is the guest book. Guest book was like something I just completely forgot about when it came to actually like time for my wedding. So I was seeing a ton of people doing artifact uprising. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy my own and I'm gonna find it for cheaper. So sorry. So I actually found a website called Zeno.com. And I made the same type of like guest book that I would be able to make, you know, from Artifact Uprising, but for, I think I paid $100. And I'm actually so impressed with how this turned out. Like, it's one of those flat lay ones, so people can sign it and it will just lay flat like this. And people can sign over here, they can sign over here, they can sign with like metallic marker on the actual photos. Yeah, we're really excited about it. There's like full pages for people to write on. It's 20 pages long. I paid $97 for it, and the pictures that we have are so special, and I can't wait to show you some of the photos. I haven't posted about them yet. By the time I'm recording this, I don't know if I posted about it at all when this goes up, but I'm very excited to show you guys this. I think this is a bargain though. If you guys are interested, I highly recommend it. Then my camera overheated. I can't make this up, guys. I forgot to even talk about one of the things that I wanted to talk about, and that was, where are we going for our honeymoon? We haven't addressed it yet. Probably going to be how you guys are finding out about this video. Something I haven't addressed yet is where we're going for our honeymoon. And I've hinted at it on Instagram a lot, but we are actually going to Paris and London. I am so excited. We leave on Thanksgiving, which is so exciting. We'll be gone for about a week, and it's just going to be so amazing. So we're going to spend about 3 or 4 days in Paris and 3 or 4 days in London. And it's just going to be amazing. I love Christmas time, as you guys know. It's my thing. And I'm happy to bring you guys more Christmas videos, but not when I'm on my honeymoon, obviously. But I'm just so excited. Like, this is my dream. I've always wanted to go to like London and Paris around Christmas time. From like the TikToks I've seen, everyone's like, don't go there, go to Switzerland. But I'm like, no, trust me. I need to live out my Parisian fantasy and see the Eiffel Tower and do all those fun things. So we're super excited about that. I just don't know really what to update you guys on now. Now we're just kind of like waiting it out. If you guys have any questions of things that you want me to touch on after the wedding and just like walk you guys through, I'm happy to do that. Let me know like the questions or like the topics that you guys want me to cover, because I need some guidance, because obviously this video was just completely all over the place, which, are we surprised? I'm just so excited. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait. And I can't wait to take you guys along on my Instagram, so be sure you're following me there because you'll definitely know when it's go time. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. I'm gonna be a married woman, even though I'm already wearing my engagement or my wedding band.